How do you do? It's Lukey Poo at Kuhn Truck and RV, your favorite family-owned and operated little RV specialist. Started by our mom and dad in 1976, we are proud to be a second-generation family-owned and operated business. My friends call me Luke, my sisters call me Charlie, and my 23 nieces and nephews call me Lukey Poo, but you can call me anytime at 440-OHIO-RVs. A member of our growing team would be happy to help you. Please check out our website at truckandrv.com to view all of our inventory. There's a direct link to this particular RV in the video description below. If you follow that link, it will take you to our website where you can see pricing and more information on this unit. Once this unit is unavailable to order, that link will be removed. Kuhn Truck and RV is proud to offer brand new Roadtrek Class B camper vans with unbeatable pricing and old school family owned service. Give us a call at 440-OHIO-RVs. Again, that's 440-OHIO-RVs. For sale today, we have a brand new 2024 Roadtrek Play. Alrighty folks, here we are inside of this brand new Roadtrek Play. As usual, I'm going to start in the front, work my way towards the rear. I'm going to do my best to give you a good idea of the overall floor plan, as well as the overall condition of this unit. Here at Kuhn Truck and RV, we are proud to be a second-generation family-owned and operated business. We will beat or match anyone's pricing on brand new current model year like-for-like Roadtreks. We're also going to fly you out here with up to 2 economy class flights to either Detroit, Michigan, Fort Wayne, Indiana, or Toledo, Ohio. We'll pick you up at the airport, bring you out here to our dealership, and give you your full demo. Make sure you're fully comfortable with your new camper. We also have the option for you to stay with us at Crystal Fountain Park. That's our campground here in town. And if you'd like to stay for a night or two and make sure you got everything down before you head off for parts unknown, we are happy to provide that service for you. We've got a fantastic fan or a max air fan here in the center of the coach. This is going to act like an attic fan or an exhaust fan. If you open up the windows, it'll bring the cool outside air in. This runs directly off the coach battery system. We have an air conditioner in the rear that will function if you're plugged in, or it'll also work through the 3,000 watt inverter here on this coach. We have 400 amps of AGM power. Nice construction here in the Roadtreks. These are designed and built to last. Got this nice screen system or privacy curtain you can drop down here. You can open and close the door with that deployed. Patio light for your porch lights. Those are very bright. Water pump on and off. That will pump the water out of the onboard fresh water tank. Inverter on and off to turn off that inverter. Battery disconnect. This will disconnect the coach battery system to prevent parasitic draw. You're going to want to do that while you're storing this unit. Battery voltage. Levels test for our propane, fresh, black, and gray. That'll light up these lights here. Control for our power awning. All of the cabinets in the Roadtrek here are CNC machined from real wood. We have an interlocking subfloor with docking pockets for all the cabinet modules. We have Wieland wiring harnesses throughout. Those are professionally made wiring harnesses. It's going to eliminate a lot of the crazy wiring that you sometimes see in motorhomes. You can definitely ask our guys in the service department about that. Nice big bathroom area here, not much of a step up and in, so easy to access. You can open it a little wider here when you're inside and latch it like that, so it's going to give you more elbow room when you're using the bathroom area. Nice big mirrors here on the bathroom doors. Got some storage there on the front. Propane furnace here. Noxious gas detector. Here in our kitchen area, we have a microwave. Aluminum backsplash. 2-burner propane cooktop. Single basin sink with a nice tall faucet. You can flip this out here for some extra counter space. The Roadtrek quality here, you can literally shake this coach by this counter flip out here. They built everything very durable in here. We have these nice seamless corners where everything's flush. That's from the CNC cabinetry. We have these nice power stations throughout the coach that have an AC plug-in, a DC outlet, and a USB outlet in the center. That's going to allow you to plug in whatever you've got while you're out on your adventure. Big slide out pantry here. Calling this the pots and pans drawer. Use this however you like. That's a nice big drawer. Vitrifrigo 12 volt DC powered fridge freezer. So we have a freezer up top. This is compressor driven, so it's going to cool down faster and more efficiently than your traditional absorption refrigerators that you see in most of the RVs that we sell that are not in this era. Nice closet here, hang your jackets. Table leg. The AC power in that closet there is what the microwave's plugged into. We have a table mount back here in the back and up in the front. Both of these front seats swivel, so you can flip them around to face the back. You're going to get a better position here with the passenger seat due to this cabinet and the steering wheel here impeding the driver's seat from turning and getting as good of a position. Solar controller. Nice big storage compartments up top. Got some different power sources there, AC on the left, DC on the right. TV here in the back. Got lights that you can click on and off. Got the little power stations with the 3 sources of power right here and over here. Makes that real convenient when you're back here at bedtime. Plug in your phone wherever you got. Thermostat here is going to control our HVAC system. That's going to be your propane furnace and your roof air conditioner. Another power station here. This is a switch here to operate the power sofa. The windows here have a screen, or I should say a blind that you can't see out of, and a screen you can pull across depending on what you want on all of the back windows. The rear 2 on the back doors do not open. We have 3 seat belts on the rear sofa, 2 up front, so a total of 5 belts here in this Roadtrek. This is going to flatten out, make 2 twin beds. A lot of people like this because you can get in and out of bed without crawling over one another. These cushions are all movable. If you want to make up the big bed, there's an additional board here beneath this cushion that will slide out here, and you'll use these back cushions to fill in that area. I'm going to go and drop some pictures now so you can see what this all looks like made up and get some measurements. The rear twin beds measure approximately 75 inches north-south or front to back and 27 inches east-west or side to side. The big bed measures approximately 75 inches north-south or front to back and 72 inches east-west from wall to wall. The seatbelts can be pushed down below the cushions for bedtime. Additional storage and the 3,000 watt inverter are located beneath the front parts of the bed area. Here we are sitting in the back of this brand new Roadtrek Play. What state does the most laundry? Washington. Nice hard surface flooring. Makes it very easy to keep things clean in here. You can easily sweep this out, blow it out, whatever you'd like to do. We have these pre-molded ceiling panels here in the Roadtreks that are easy to drop down for service technicians in the event that they need to service your coach. Really pleased with how these Roadtreks are put together and the high level of quality control that they're doing there at the factory. Having seen a lot of stuff here at the dealership through almost 50 years, we have to say they're one of the best. Nice storage up top. Additional storage here in the cabin area. Great options here if you're looking for a camper van from Roadtrek. This is a name people in the camper van community know and love. We're going to give you the best price anywhere in the country. Going to fly you out for up to 2 economy class flights. We're going to pick you up at the airport, let you camp here at Crystal Fountain Park at our historic campground if you'd like to do so. We're going to do everything in our power to make it worth your while and give you the best buying experience that you can get anywhere. Check these out at truckandrv.com. Kuhn Truck and RV, the best little RV dealer around since 1976 and home of the RV brothers. Here in the cabin area, we have power windows, power locks, power mirrors, tilt, cruise. Some different storage spots in the dash. Nice, easy to keep clean upholstery and flooring. RAM charger here. Lots of cup holders. Different connectivity options to connect your phone here to the head unit and get the music or whatever you'd like to have playing through that. Got that nice storage spot up top. It's great for your sunglasses, sunscreen, things like that. Forgot to mention our fire extinguisher down here. There's also an AC plug here, so if you want to run a cord outside, that makes that easy to do so. This is our fuse panel here. This is a representation of the different power systems in this RV. So everything that runs through the coach battery system will have a DC fuse, and everything that runs on the shore power plug-in or AC type power is going to have a breaker just like your house. Alrighty, folks, we're going to go around the outside of this brand new 2024 Roadtrek Play. This camper van measures 20 feet 9 inches bumper to bumper and has a 13-foot power awning. This Roadtrek is built on a Ram ProMaster 3500 HD RV-ready chassis with a 3.6-liter V6 engine. Got really bright porch lights out here. Easy to get up and into this camper van. We have this clever system here designed by Roadtrek that you can drop this screen down and have a screened option, or you can have this be a privacy curtain where you'll not be able to see through here. You can easily open and close this using the magnetic closure here. You can close this door with the screen deployed. Got a nice step to help you get up and into this. So one of the differences here on the Roadtrek Play is you have this fixed step instead of the power steps. And these are black on all of the Play series units. Nice big power awning. Makes that easy to get in and out. We have the same screen system here in the back with a privacy curtain or a screened version that you can get airflow through and see out of some. You can open and close this door here with those deployed. We have our backup camera system here. Room beneath the couch in the back to store things. City water's over here. TV in. So we're going to plug in the 30 amp shore power cord. Do have a tow package on these, nice for bike racks, things like that. Lagoon table is stored in the rear door. Coming around now to the driver's side, air conditioner up top. Outside shower here is nice for kids, pets, going to the beach, going on a hike. Keep the mess out of your camper van. Back of our tankless water heater, furnace exhaust. We have a clever system here designed by Roadtrek where we have a gravity dump and we also have a macerator pump. You can use whichever one you want. So if somebody drops a G.I. Joe or something down the toilet and plugs up your macerator, you can still use your gravity feed. There's a built-in macerator pump hose inside of this door here. Otherwise, you're gonna do everything exactly the same. Black first, then the gray, and that's either gonna come out by gravity or you're gonna pump it out. Fuel fill. Fill right here for the onboard fresh water tank. We've added this disconnect here at Kuhn Truck and RV. This will disconnect the chassis battery. So the vehicle battery, that will disconnect here to prevent parasitic draw while you're storing this. That's easy to just turn that off with the flip of a switch there. You're gonna push and hold that red button to operate the macerator pump. Got solar on the roof. Check these Roadtreks out at truckandrv.com. Kuhn Truck and RV, the best little RV dealer around since 1976 and home of the RV Brothers.